again I have something green from China. So what do we have here? This is RX 17 Pro from OPPO company, factory sealed. See, 6 gigs, 128 gigabyte of internal storage, 6 gigs of RAM. OPPO, that's the thing there. Satisfaction. So how do you open it? Look at the green box. Look at the texture. It's very nice. There's a handle there. Just pull it and it should open. With one hand this is almost impossible. Come on, please. There it is. There it is. OPPO technology. What accessory we have here? There's some kind of box here. There's a charger which is huge, humongous charger. Supply should be 50 watts, 10 volts, 2 amps, 5 amps output. Okay. And headphones, which I will test in the other video. Okay, they are in this crazy bag. Anyway, I think it's something that is in here. Oh, this is how you open this. Sorry, I have only one hand, no tripod. There's the manual. It should be manual in here. Let me closer look. Yes, manual and all the things. And the cover. They give you an extra cover. That's very nice of them. Very nice. Very nice. So it is getting dark. I hate this with one hand. Has a power button here, SIM card tray, USB Type-C, one headphone jack and one microphone. What's on this side? Volume buttons, and on this side, come on, another microphone. And my camera is out of focus. This is the green version, and this very nice camera. I think it's a similar camera to Galaxy S9 with 2 different apertures. Huh? Come on. Cover goes very tight in here. It's impossible to do it with one hand. You need 2 hands to do it. Okay, let's turn it on. OPPO. Look at the notch. Very nice. I like the green color. It is very very nice. Look at the green. It's all green. Very smooth. Look at this beautiful screen. It is beautiful. It was just an unboxing. In the next video I will test the camera, which is supposed to be better than the Galaxy S9. Supposed to be. We test this and we compare the graphics power, processor power, audio power, and all the Chinese power. So thanks for watching and see you next video.